Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creme brulee using milk. This classic dessert is surprisingly simple to create at home with just a few key ingredients. We'll start by gathering everything you need, from fresh whole milk and egg yolks to sugar and vanilla. Proper preparation of your ramekins and setting up a water bath are crucial steps for a smooth, creamy custard. Getting your ingredients to room temperature also helps ensure a perfectly blended mixture. Now, let's focus on creating that rich, silky custard base. Begin by gently heating your whole milk with a touch of vanilla until it's just simmering, then take it off the heat. In a separate bowl, whisk your egg yolks and sugar together until they become light, pale, and form a beautiful ribbon when lifted. The next crucial step is tempering. Slowly pour the warm milk into the egg mixture while continuously whisking to prevent the eggs from cooking prematurely. This ensures a smooth, lump-free custard. With your custard ready, it's time for baking. Carefully pour the mixture into your prepared ramekins, then place them into a larger baking dish. Fill the baking dish with hot water, creating a water bath that helps the custards cook gently and evenly. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit until the edges are set but the center still has a slight jiggle. Once baked, let them cool completely, then chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. The final, most satisfying step is creating that iconic caramelized sugar crust. Just before serving, sprinkle a thin, even layer of granulated sugar over the top of each chilled creme brulee. Then, using a kitchen torch, carefully melt and caramelize the sugar until it turns a beautiful golden brown and forms a crisp, glassy shell. This creates that delightful crack when you tap it with a spoon. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.